Question number 21. The magnetic potential energy stored in a certain inductor is 25 millijoule. When the current in the inductor is 60 milliamps, this inductor is of inductance. Option 1, 1.389 Henry. Option 2, 138.88 Henry. Option 3, 0.138 Henry. Option 4, 13.89 Henry.
21st question. Given values are magnetic potential energy U is equal to 25 millijoule is equal to 25 into 10 power minus 3 joule. Current I is equal to 60 milliamps is equal to 60 into 10 power minus 3 amps. Formula U is equal to half L I squared. From this formula L is equal to 2U by I squared. Substitute the value 2 into 25 in 10 power minus 3 divided by I value 60 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. So you will get 13.89 Henry. So answer option 4.
Question number 22. Two metal spheres, one of radius capital R and the other of radius 2r respectively, have the same surface charge density sigma. They are brought in contact and separated. What will be the new surface charge density on them? Option 1, sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 6 sigma, sigma 2 is equal to 5 by 6 sigma. Option 2, sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 2 sigma, sigma 2 is equal to 5 by 6 sigma. Option 3, sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 2 sigma, sigma 2 is equal to 5 by 3 sigma. Option 4, sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 3 sigma, sigma 2 is equal to 5 by 6 sigma.
Question number 22. Before contact, Q1 is equal to sigma 4 pi r square, Q2 is equal to sigma 4 pi 2r whole square. So Q2 is equal to 4 into sigma 4 pi r square. Equation number 2. From equation number 1, we will get Q2 is equal to 4Q1. Substitute this value, we will get the 4Q1. So after contact, Q1 dash plus Q2 dash is equal to Q1 plus Q2. Equation number 4. Substitute equation number 3 in equation number 4. We will get Q1 plus 4Q1. So 5Q1. Substitute equation number 1 in 5. Q1 dash plus Q2 dash is equal to 5 into sigma 4 pi r square. Equation number 6. They will be at equal potentials. Q1 dash by r is equal to Q2 dash by 2r. So cancel r. We will get Q1 dash is equal to Q2 dash by 2. Q2 dash is equal to 2 Q1 dash. Substitute equation number 7 in 6. Substitute the Q2 dash is equal to 2 Q1 dash in equation number 6. So you will get Q1 dash plus 2 Q1 dash is equal to 5 into sigma 4 pi r square. So 1 plus 2 3 Q1 dash is equal to 5 into sigma 4 pi r square. So Q1 dash is equal to 5 by 3 sigma 4 pi r square. Equation number 8. Substitute equation number 8 in 7. So we will get Q2 dash is equal to 2 into the Q1 dash value 5 by 3 sigma into 4 pi r square. Q2 dash is equal to 10 by 3 sigma 4 pi r square. Equation number 9. We know that sigma 1 is equal to Q1 dash by 4 pi r square. Equation number 10. Substitute equation number 8 in 10. We get sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 3. So the value of Q1 dash is equal to sigma 4 pi r square. Substitute this. So 4 pi r square are cancelled. We will get sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 3 sigma. Equation number 11. We know that sigma 2 is equal to Q2 dash by 4 pi 2r whole square. Equation number 12. Substitute equation number 9 in 12. Sigma 2 is equal to 10 by 3 into sigma 4 pi r squared into 1 by 4 pi into 4 r squared. So cancel 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. So 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So we will get sigma 2 is equal to 5 by 6 sigma. So correct option 4, sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 3 sigma, sigma 2 is equal to 5 by 6 sigma.
Question number 23. A sphere encloses an electric dipole with charges plus or minus 3 in 10 power minus 6 coulomb. What is the total electric flux across the sphere? Option 1, 6 into 10 power minus 6 Newton meter squared by coulomb. Option 2, minus 3 in 10 power minus 6 Newton meter squared by Coulomb. Option 3 0. Option 4 3 in 10 power minus 6 Newton meter squared by Coulomb.
23rd question, Q total is equal to 23rd question, Q total is equal to Q enclosed by epsilon naught. Dipole have equal and opposite charge, so net charge inside the sphere will be 0. So Q enclosed is equal to 0. So substitute Q enclosed is equal to 0 in this equation. Q total is equal to 0 by epsilon naught, that is equal to 0. So correct option, answer 3 0.
Question number 24. Pick the wrong answer in the context with the rainbow. Option 1. When the light rays undergo two internal reflections in a water drop, a secondary rainbow is formed. Option 2. The order of colors is reversed in the secondary rainbow. Option 3. An observer can see a rainbow when his front is towards the sun. Option 4. Rainbow is a combined effect of dispersion, refraction and reflection of sunlight.
For 24th question, correct option 3. An observer can see a rainbow when his front is towards the sun.
Question number 25. For a p-type semiconductor, which of the following statement is true? Option 1. Electrons are the majority carriers and trivalent atoms are the dopants. Option 2. Holes are the majority carriers and trivalent atoms are the dopants. Option 3. Holes are the majority carriers and pentavalent atoms are the dopants. Option 4. Electrons are the majority carriers and pentavalent atoms are the dopants.
For 25th question, correct answer option 2. Holes are majority carriers and trivalent atoms are the dopants.
Question number 26. A body weighs 200 Newton on the surface of the earth. How much will it weigh halfway down to the center of the earth? Option 1 100 Newton, option 2 150 Newton, option 3 200 Newton, option 4 250 Newton.
26th question, given value mg is equal to 200 Newton, d is equal to r by 2 from the figure. Formula mg dash is equal to mg into 1 minus small d by capital R. Substitute this value in this formula. 200 into 1 minus r by 2 into r. R cancelled. So 200 into 1 by 2. So 100. Answer is 100 Newton. Correct option, answer 1 100 Newton.
Question number 27. An electron is accelerated through a potential difference of 10,000 volt. Its de Broglie wavelength is nearly ME is equal to 9 in 10 power minus 31 kilogram. Option 1 12.2 in 10 power minus 14 meter. Option 2 12.2 nanometer. Option 3 12.2 in 10 power minus 13 meter. Option 4 12.2 in 10 power minus 12 meter.
27th question, given value V is equal to 10,000 volt. Formula lambda is equal to 12.27 divided by root of V Armstrong. So 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. So lambda is equal to 12.27 by root of 10,000 into 10 power minus 10. 12.27 by 100 in 10 power minus 10. So 12.27 in 10 power minus 12 meter. So correct answer option 4 12.27 in 10 power minus 12 meter.
Question number 28. The magnetic susceptibility is negative for option 1 diamagnetic material only, option 2 paramagnetic material only, option 3 ferromagnetic material only, option 4 paramagnetic and ferromagnetic materials.
For 28th question, correct answer option 1 diamagnetic material only.
Question number 29. A bullet of mass 10 gram moving horizontally with a velocity of 400 ms per minus 1 strikes a wooden block of mass 2 kg which is suspended by a light inextensible string of length 5 meter. As a result, the center of gravity of the block is found to rise a vertical distance of 10 centimeter. The speed of the bullet after it emerges out horizontally from the block will be option 1 100 ms power minus 1, option 2 80 ms power minus 1, option 3 120 ms power minus 1, option 4 160 ms power minus 1.
For 29th question, given values are mass of the bullet m is equal to 100 gram, that is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram is equal to 0.01 kilogram. Initial speed of the bullet u is equal to 400 meter per second. Mass of the block capital M is equal to 2 kilogram. Length of the string L is equal to 5 meter. Speed of the block after the collision is equal to V1. Speed of the bullet on the emerging from the block V is equal to what? This structure represents the explain about the question. Using energy conservation principle for the block of capital M V1 square is equal to capital M GH. So V1 square is equal to capital M GH divided by capital M into 2. V1 square is equal to G value 10 into H value 0.1 into 2. So V1 is equal to root of 10 into 0.1 into 2. Root of 2. V1 is equal to root 2 ms power minus 1. Using momentum conservation principle for the block and bullet system, m into 0 plus mu is equal to m into V1 plus mv before collision is equal to after collision. Substitute this value, will get 2 into 0 plus 0.01 into 400 is equal to 2 root 2 into 0.01 v. We want to find the v value, so we can write 2 root 2 plus 0.01 v is equal to 4. 0.01 v is equal to 4 minus 2 root 2. So v is equal to 4 minus 2 root 2 divided by 0.01. So substitute this value 117.15 meter per second. So correct answer option 3 120 approximately is equal to 120 meter per second.
Question number 30. The given electrical network is equivalent to option 1 AND gate, option 2 OR gate, option 3 NOR gate, option 4 NOT gate.
Question number 30. This is the NOR gate. The output for NOR gate A plus B whole bar. So we get A plus B whole bar. It is behaves like a NOT gate. So A plus B whole double bar, that is equal to A plus B. This one is NOT gate, A plus B bar. The A plus B bar is the output of NOR gate. So correct answer option 3 NOR gate.